Hey guys, wanna know how to upload large files on Google Drive using your phone device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial, and now let's get started. First off, download Google Drive app if it isn't downloaded yet on your phone device, and then log in into your Google account. Then, when opened, just from the Home tab, go to the Files, and here click on the plus icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the Upload File option right here from the pop-up menu, and then either select the Photos or Videos option if you want to upload a video or a photo, or simply tap Browse. Now you'll be taken to all of the files of your device. Now select the needed files for the upload, and now tap Open. So here you can pretty much change the name of the file so you do not lose it. Just click on the name field and now delete the previous one. Let's just name it a test, and then tap Done at the top right, and finally click on the Upload option at the top right. Now, if this didn't work for you, just delete Google Drive app from your device, and now let's use the desktop version of the Google Drive. So open any browser like Chrome, and in the search field, search for Google Drive Sign In. And now hit Go at the bottom right. Just click on the first link and you will be automatically logged in into your account. So complete the same steps as we did, just uploading the file that you need. So that's probably it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.